regulatory provision relating to import of cosmetics. Definition of cosmetics. According to Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rule 1945, cosmetics are product intended mixture of chemical components derived from either synthetically or naturally created one article intended to be applied to the human body by being rubbed, powdered, sprayed, and sprinkled for cleansing, promoting attractiveness, beautifying, or altering appearance. Import of cosmetics. The Government of India, through the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rule 1945, has made stringent provision regarding import, manufacturing, sales, and distribution of cosmetics. These provisions mainly covered the licensing of import manufacturing of cosmetics and also GMP of, and also these guidelines have covered certain categories of cosmetics whose import and sales is prohibition by the law. These guidelines have also listed the 28 cosmetics whose import is allowed only on to the conformance of Indian standard. Import of certain cosmetics is prohibited under Drug and Cosmetic Act and Rule 134A, 135, 135A. Any cosmetic which is not standard quality. Any cosmetic which is misbranded or spurious cosmetic. Any cosmetic containing any ingredient which may render it unsafe or harmful for use under the direction, indication, or recommendation. Any cosmetics which containing hexachlorophene. Any cosmetic in which lead arsenic compounds has been used for coloring purpose. 28 cosmetics have been placed under Schedule A standard for cosmetics to rule and are required to comply with Indian standard. These are list of 28 cosmetics: skin cream, skin powder for infant, toothpaste, tooth powder, hair oil, hair cream, shampoo soap base, shampoo synthetic detergent base, aftershave lotion, shaving soap, shaving cream, toilet soap, liquid toilet soap, baby toilet soap, transparent toilet soap, lipstick, cosmetic pencil, lip gloss, kumkum powder, bindi, henna powder, nail polish, collagen. Cosmetic can be imported in India only through following ports as per the rule of 43A. First, Firozpur Cantonment and Amritsar Railway Station. Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Cochin, Nhava Sheva and Kandla by sea route. Ahmedabad, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Mumbai by air route. Rauxel by road or railway line connecting in India.